For more free videos, go to zeroxbilliards.com. All the videos are organized so learning the game of pool has never been easier. From fundamentals to kicking, banking, breaking, and cue ball control, we have all the videos you need to supercharge your game. In this game of 8-ball, my opponent just broke and left me in this position. And the only shot I have is on the 14 ball. But if I choose stripes, I have several problem areas. First, getting position on the 10 ball may be a little bit tricky since it only has one pocket it can go into. And the 15 ball is also in a tough spot. Now I may have to play it in the bottom right hand corner pocket. The 11 ball is tied up with the 6 ball and the 13 ball is tied up with the 4 ball. Since the 14 ball is the only ball I can pocket, I need to examine the sliding cue ball line. Here, we can see that a sliding cue ball heads toward the side pocket. Knowing this, I now know that if the cue ball is rolling, it's going to head in this direction, breaking out the 11 ball. So we broke out the 11 ball, and this is now the layout. And when I shoot the 11 ball in the corner, I'm going to play it off the 13 ball. And this is going to separate the 13 ball from the 4 ball. But I have to be aware of where the cue ball will end up. So if we look at the sliding cue ball line, if the cue ball has a little bit of roll on it, it's going to head in this direction, leaving me here for the 9 ball. And hopefully when I break out the 13 and 4 ball, these balls will move away from this area, opening up the pocket for the 9 ball. But I prefer having more of an angle on the 9 ball, so I'm going to put a little bit of draw on the cue ball, sending it in this direction. So I've solved 2 of my problems in this rack, but I still have 2 more problems to deal with, the 15 and 10 ball. If I can end up above the 15 ball pocket line, I can use the sliding cue ball to come off the side rail for shape on the 10 ball. So I now need to figure out how to get on the 15 with the right angle. If I end up here in the 12 ball, the sliding cue ball line heads in this direction. But if the cue ball had draw on it, I now know it's going to hit higher up on the rail, and this should give me the proper angle in the 15 ball. So for me to end up here for the 12 ball, an angle like this in the 13 will be ideal. All I have to do is roll it in and the cue ball will naturally head toward this position area. So when I shoot the 9 ball, I need to end up right around here to give me the proper angle in the 13. And a nice rolling cue ball is all I need on the 9 ball to get my position on the 13. And when I shoot the 13, I'm just going to roll it in and the cue ball should end up below the 12 ball pocket line. So I have a good angle in the 12 to get to my position zone for the 15 ball. A good draw stroke will pull the cue ball higher up on the side rail toward this position area. And now we can see the sliding cue ball line for the 15 ball. I'm going to use a little bit of draw to end up here, giving me a nice angle to roll the 10 ball in and get my position on the 8 ball. Now it's just a matter of rolling in the 10 ball and I should end up with position on the 8 ball. To watch more free videos like this one, we set up a page that is filled with free videos covering every aspect of pool. All the free videos are organized by topic, so learning this great game of pool has never been easier. I put a link in the description that takes you directly to this webpage.